This right here is the North Carolina Micro Center, and we're gonna build an ITX gaming PC. Now there's so much to do and see in this store, we have to really hone our focus in on the build your own section, where you can pretty much buy any computer part imaginable for a gaming PC. So if you're traveling through the store wondering where you have to go, always look up and search for the BYO section, which stands for Build Your Own. And that would be right here behind me. You can't really read it because the glare's a bit rough. A lot of lights in here. So much room for activities. This will be a fun one. I hope you will stay with me.
If you're planning your next PC build, then consider checking out our sponsor, VIP SCB Key. Their Windows 10 and 11 OEM keys sell for a fraction of retail and will unlock the full potential of your OS. They'll also remove those pesky activation watermarks. Click the links below to get started today, and be sure to use our special offer code SKGS for a sweet discount on a variety of options, including Windows 10 and 11, Pro and Home, and more.
I'm gonna give you guys a cheat code. When it comes to shopping at Micro Center, find an employee, especially in the BYO section. These guys are so knowledgeable. They know where everything is. They know the best deals. They're in this to help you. So I'm gonna introduce you to one of those employees. His name is, if I can get this tripod working together. Oh, he's busy. It's a busy store. Oh, wait a second. He's back there. That's Ashik. We got him again. This is
guys.
Ashik. How's
Nice
it
to
going?
meet you. Pretty good.
Really appreciate you taking the time to be on video here.
Awesome, yeah, it's a
I'm gonna put
pleasure.
you on the spot.
Yeah.
But I am interested in an ITX rig. And
Awesome.
do you get a lot of folks wanting to build ITX systems here?
We'll get them every now and then, especially when they want specifically systems that are very space efficient, but still want a lot of power for their gaming.
My idea for an ITX rig is I don't want it to be super heavy. I want to be able to like lug it around.
Okay.
And the reason for that is well, that's something you'll find out at the end of the video.
Awesome.
So for now, let's look at bundle deals. I heard those are pretty good, yeah?
They're amazing. And the nice thing about them is that you can substitute some parts.
So see, like what we used to have to do was just stick with what was in the bundle, and that
Right.
was it. Take it or leave it. A lot of the bundles were still really good, but the fact now that we can swap things like motherboards and DDR4 or 5 in those and
Right.
still get mega discounts,
Yeah.
that's huge.
A lot of these bundles over here are usually relegated to certain parts that go with the motherboard, CPU, and RAM. However, if you keep the CPU and actually change out the board or change out the RAM, you can actually maintain a lot of the discounts. Out of curiosity, are you interested in a graphics card also? Like, is there any particular one that you're looking for?
I don't have any affinity for either, really. Whatever
Okay.
works in the budget.
Gotcha.
And I just need it to fit in like a compact case.
Gotcha. Well, actually, have you heard of the A770, the Intel GPUs? It's actually quite good.
I have not personally used one extensively.
Okay.
I've heard good things. They've come a long way.
Yeah, their
And
drivers
they're
have gotten a lot better.
Okay.
So it's a great budget performer, especially for a person who's trying to do an ITX build at a relatively low price point of under $1,000. It's a great entry point.
And with the bundle deal, I'm basically saving like $50 on that card too, right?
Basically.
We're down to like $250.
Yeah.
So let's do that. This is turning into like a full Intel build. Not
Yeah.
intentional. Intel's not sponsoring any part of this at all, but that bundle's pretty sweet.
It's pretty good.
I'm willing to try it out.
Awesome. All right, well, let's go ahead and grab those.
Sweet. Now I'm gonna go grab a buggy. I think we're gonna need one. We're building a full system here. Even though it's ITX, some of these boxes take up some space. Look how these things fold up. It's pretty cool. Pull one of these back, and you can actually lower the basket. There you go. Look at that, Ashik. You got the whole stack there, huh?
Yeah, that's great.
Now you probably saw this in the background. This is a Montech Hyperflow ARGB 240 mil. We were concerned a bit about cooling. 12600 KF doesn't come with a cooler, and we don't have many options here so far for like kind of like top flow style for ATX cases. However, the case I have in mind for this build fits a 240 mil IO, and this one is only $85. It is case time now. I've actually got Ashik pushing the buggy. So nice of him. We are now surrounded by a bunch of cases. We need ITX though, specifically something that we can lug around, kind of like, under the arm and not strain too hard. And I think we've already found the perfect candidate, that being the SSUPD Meshroom D. For $110, this is, I think, a cheaper option, and it's gonna have all the headroom we need.
I'll go ahead and put that
There we are. Yeah, that's a case right there.
Oh, yeah.
Much
Perfect.
smaller than we're used to. Ooh, la la, this is the one you're talking about, right?
Yep, that's the one. It's a
Yeah.
great power supply.
Look at that. $80 as well.
Yep.
We're definitely gonna snag one of these. It's gonna be a little tight just because we're going with a larger power supply in this chassis, but
I think the Meshroom can definitely handle it for
yeah,
sure.
I think we'll make it work. It might look a little ugly on the inside. Now I know from past experience, inland is the way to go if I want to save money shopping in store for storage, right?
Absolutely.
Okay,
In terms
so-
of performance, you can't beat it.
Yeah, I'm thinking like a Performance Plus or something.
Yeah.
Like, it doesn't have to be Gen 4, but if we can get it for like 70-ish, $80, something like that.
Well, the cool thing is you can actually get the 1 terabyte Performance Plus. It's $65, and it is a Gen 4 drive.
Yo! Alrighty, and that about does it. I believe this is everything we need. Ashik at least assures me that this is everything we're gonna need,
Everything
right?
is right there.
These guys are experts. If you have any questions at all, be sure to reach out to a rep here at the BYO section. All right, so let's take this to the cashier and see if we can't convince them that all of this is free. Yo, we get to take shortcut?
Yeah, we get to take the shortcut.
Shortcut?
Heck yeah.
Hey, shortcut. All right. So I have no idea if this actually comes out to under $1,000. That was kind of the budget target, I think.
Yeah,
We're
it should
getting
be.
close to that
close.
number. Daniel here is ringing us up. Daniel, I hear through the grapevine you have a YouTube channel, my friend.
I do. It's Sugu, spelled S-U-G-U.
S-U-G-U. That's it? Just 4 letters?
That's it.
Wow.
It might take a little bit of trouble to find it because I got a smaller channel. But if you just add like Rainbow Six Siege to the end of it, you should be able to find it.
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Go hit up my man. Check out Daniel's channel, Sugu, S-U-G-U. I'm gonna have a link below as well. Look at the price on that CPU. That is nuts.
It's sick.
And check that out, $942 pre-tax, just over $1,000 if we count tax. We haven't been counting that in our Gear Up playlist, so I'm not gonna count it here. I think we did a good job staying under $1,000. I don't know about this art card though. We'll see. It looks sweet. I don't know Sparkle like at all. Maybe I'm just living under a rock, never heard of them. But the card looks good. For the price, I think it'll be all right. And we're gonna bring this back to the BYO section to assemble, and then we're gonna try to find a unique way to give this thing away. And while these guys are working next to me, we're gonna get to assembling, starting first with our platform here.
We can find someone to take this home. I don't exactly know what we're gonna do yet. I want it to be someone totally random.
So after some thinking, I think we're gonna utilize this wheel. Now we use this for Gear Up. We brought a physical wheel this time again to the Charlotte store. You'll see those videos soon if you haven't already on the channel. But I wanna give the employees at Micro Center a chance to actually spin the wheel and win something. So we're gonna do frowny faces on pretty much every pie slice. I think just to spice it up a little bit, we'll do a smiley face on this opposite yellow tile. And if you land on that, you get a chance to spin again. But the big winner is gonna be right there. So whichever employee hits this is gonna win that SSUPD ITX PC. So we have an employee here at BYO who's gonna go fetch folks one by one. I think one of two things is gonna happen. Either A, someone's going to instantly win, and this video is gonna last not as long as I thought it would. Or two, everyone in the entire building is gonna spin and no one's gonna win it, and then we're gonna get accused of rigging the wheel. I kind of hope we end up somewhere in between. First contestant, Mr. Ryan.
Hello.
Alrighty, what section of the store do you work in?
General sales.
General sales, okay, cool. So we've got a wheel and a chance to win this little ITX system here that took way longer than it should have to build. So rule's pretty simple. Just give it one solid spin. You can spin it really hard. If you land on this tile here, the win tile, then you win the system. If you land on any of the frowny faces, you win an awkward handshake.
Okay.
And if you land on the smiley face, you get another chance to spin.
Okay.
So
Easy enough.
pretty straightforward. If you want, whenever you're ready, give it a
All right, cool.
nice solid spin.
So close.
Oh no, Mr. Ryan.
Awkward handshake.
That was good enough. That was good stuff.
Thank
Hey,
you.
sorry, Ryan, you were super close, man.
That's all right.
I
I
appreciate
appreciate
you.
it.
All right. Wow, that was close. So we found Mr. Charles from the Knowledge Bar area,
That's right.
yeah? He's obviously working his butt off this week. And he swung by for something totally different, but we're going to pull him aside. Oh, no way! No! No way! So we've got Callaway from, the front of the house, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Looking for the win. Okay, no, that's good. It's continuous motion, so you get to respin.
All right, sounds good.
This could be it. Uh-oh. Spin it again, yeah, just keep going. This is lasting longer than I thought it would. Oh, all right, awkward.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Another Knowledge Bar super smart expert from the front of the store, Mr. Zach, right?
Yes.
All right, Zach, all you gotta do is land on the win pie slice, and you win this monstrosity of a PC here. $1,000 rig thereabouts, all Intel. If you're interested, and you give it away, use it yourself. The frowny faces mean that you get an awkward handshake, and this one means you get to spin again. Nice. I get something here.
Come on. No.
Oh, awkward handshake.
Turkey.
High five, maybe.
Pinky? What are we doing?
There we go. Yeah, finally, we pulled it off. All right.
Thanks.
Thanks, man. Appreciate you. Josiah is our first BYO contestant.
Big money, no whammies. No whammies.
Oh, yeah, it's an awkward handshake time. Do a little, that'll work. I'm good with that. Appreciate it, man. You want to do it?
I'm lucky.
All right, let's do it. All right, let's do it.
I'm so ready. Make it fit for everyone.
Come on now. Come on. This could be. Awkward handshake. What? Did you just dab, bro? We found Rue next. Where do you work?
I work right here, Mike Center.
Wait, what part of Mike's Center? Sorry, I should
Cashier.
specify. He's
Customer
cashier.
service representative.
Customer service
Yeah.
representative. Okay, cool. Perfect. Oh, maybe a respin. Oh, wow, that got like a wedged right there. I've never seen that before. All right, Rue, I appreciate you. Thanks for.
Awkward handshake.
Yeah. Nice.
There you go.
All right. Thanks, man. I appreciate you. Mr. Joey
sir.
from the BYO section. Here we go. This could be it.
Big money, no whammies. Big
Come
money, no
on.
whammies.
Maybe a respin? Nope. It's getting stuck right in the middle. Alrighty. We're running out of employees here. Oh no, this was not supposed to happen. Oh, this one's looking good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No.
Oh, you almost had a
Hey, but that's
respin
good,
there.
though.
All
I love
right.
that. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
a
there
good
we go. I think we're gonna have to make another round. We're gonna have to have everyone respin. This is nuts. The wheel just doesn't want to give up the system.
8 hours later.
All right, that's it. Getting rid of this green slice. You know, both of these green tiles will come up quite a bit. I'm gonna make these wins as well. Now you have 4 chances to win. This is Ryan from what section of the store?
Systems.
Here we go. Come on, Ryan. This could be it. He's the first to spin the revamped wheel. The odds are too great now. Come on. Seriously? It's all right. Forward progress. Now we have a new contestant, Mr. Anthony. Could you tell us what you do in the store?
Yeah, I'm from the systems department, so we sell the pre-built PCs and laptops.
Perfect. Okay, and that's over there, right? On the
That's correct.
opposite side of BYO. Okay, perfect. Nice, very nice. Come on, something good. Could this be it? Oh no! We have Marshall from which section of the store?
I'm working systems.
Systems, alrighty. Here we go. Can Marshall pull it off? I don't think he has any idea how many people have spun before him, but This is not the outcome we were hoping for. Alrighty,
Either way, very awkward handshake.
double fist
There
bump.
we
That's
go.
perfect. All right, thanks, Marshall. Sorry about that. We're just gonna make every pie slice say win on it, and then somebody has to win it, right? It was taking a little bit of sweet talking, but we finally got Blake in the store to spin the wheel. I think this could be the one. I think that's why no one's hit it yet. It was waiting for you to finally spin it. So whenever you're ready, my friend, here we go.
Spin it as hard as I can.
As hard as you can. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Could be it. This. That's okay. You get to spin again. That's not a bad start. Go ahead. One more time. Oh, this one's even better. Come on. Come on. Drum roll, please. This is it. Oh, look at that. It was Blake all along. Mr. Blake, I appreciate you. You've earned an official handshake. Thank you very much. I'm glad you finally decided to step in. And this system is all yours.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
not a
Appreciate
problem. Yeah, hopefully you can put it to some good use. Again, really appreciate what you guys do here. You guys you're awesome. All of you do so well. This is what makes the store, what you guys do. So it's a small token of our appreciation back to y'all. So, alrighty, thank you so much for watching, guys. We can finally end this video.